don't know how to say it. My voice is all bad. Sorry, face cam makes it out. My voice is bad. Like, just let me know, guys. Just, oh god, laggy hits are real. Oh wow. Okay, but anyway, the only reason I've got this cough and the light back there, as you can see, I don't know, that didn't really fit in too well. But yeah, the light back there, just don't worry about it. I tried like re-recording it a couple times. The light's still not fixed and all of that. So I'm just gonna get straight into the voice thing. I've been running a ton. I did a McCullough run today. So yeah. It's just because of my voice. Sorry about that. But anyway, another thing I want to talk about is just like the new computer. Let's just try and block it out. Yeah, there we go. The new computer, as I was talking about before, we're going to be getting that. And I wanted to ask you guys if you knew anyways, because I use Bandicam. I've heard OBS is better, but I'm not sure. I use Bandicam. That was very tense. Yeah, I use Bandicam. I don't know about you guys, but just tell me, honestly. I don't really want any help with like subscribers and all that. But firstly, I just want to say, if you guys know how I can get Bandicam back on my other computer that I'm gonna get, please let me know. Oh god. What the heck? What the heck? Can we actually win on recording? Honestly, I'm getting about 70 frames. Can we win with 70 frames? I will be so happy, honestly, if we can win. So we're gonna go. Oh. Oh my god, we won! Yes! Thank goodness. GG, bros. I didn't put my chat on. I don't want to distract me. But yeah, if you guys know how to bring my Bandicam on this computer into the other computer, then please just let me know how to, because I really am confused with that. I think I might have to log into my account because I got a license on it. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh god, we got 1 FPS while changing. Like, I can see it in the top corner from Bandicam. But yeah, if you guys would be so nice as just let me know in the comments if Bandicam is good or not. So yeah, I swear, like guys, if you heard my dogs barking, then just ignore that, guys. I really can't control them or their mouths on where they're barking, what they're barking at. My one older dog, he barks at anything, anyone, any certain movement, he'll bark at that. So just keep that in mind if you ever hear him barking. And I don't really know how to edit too much. Where are you going? Oh, I'll fist you. Okay, buddy. Let's fist. What is your problem? Oh god, they took out the sword. Get in their corner. How does your helmet break? And let me just turn my chat on. I want to see this, because I know she was hacking. Just see here, my friend. Oh, wow. Oh, it doesn't even show me. Whatever. We're just going to do one more round. Nice quick recording for you guys. I don't really care. I just meant to get this up ready for you guys, because I'm gonna be very, very busy during the week, so I cannot record during then. So yeah, I just want to get this one video up for you guys. Yeah, so I've seen people like use the 100 thing. I just like using 47 or something lower than that. It's kind of random. But yeah. I'm really happy we won that because like being at 70 frames, it's really hard to control like where you're rotting or bowing. But we got like a friggin' 5-hit combo on the dude. We were like, I don't even know what my face was, but usually when I'm concentrated on the webcam, I'm like that. But I'm not concentrating. Oh. Oh my gosh, I thought we were gonna die there, but we didn't. Can we win this round? But hopefully, yeah, guys. The one computer I want is like a 690 for the graphics card. I think no, it's a 980 graphics card and like 60 something megabytes on storage, so we should be good to go. Wow, we just lagged. It's on there. Oh. Whoa. Kill shot. Oh, we got the kill shot there. GG, bro. He says, oh my god, reach. No. I hate people that do that. Like, they know you're probably not even hacking. They know that. They probably know that, okay? And they still say, oh yeah, you're hacking. My god, dude. What the frick are you doing? Why do you hack? You're so bad. Things like that. Like, when I'm not even recording, I get crap like that all the time. I freaking hate it. Oh, we're about to die. GG. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. Might add a little bit of music in the background. But, yeah, guys, I really hope you have a wonderful, safe day. Thumbs up, guys. Where is it? I still can't get used to this face cam. Whatever, guys. I hope you have a wonderful and safe day. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Or, no, not tomorrow. What the heck am I saying? And I will see you guys later. Bye.